properly use a Nano Mister, which is going to be your best friend in the winter months when you have space heaters running or overhead ventilation. So what you want to do is get a Nano Mister like this, easily found on Amazon, but the top screws out and you can easily pour the water out at the end of the day. You don't want this to sit, and then you can have it where it's USB rechargeable. Totally simple, totally easy. So when you're Nano Misting, you want to hold it a little bit back and you're counting to about 3. That does the trick. That's it. Now, in the beginning of an appointment, if you don't have the benefit of having a humidifier by you, and you got to remember, you got to keep your humidity at least to 35% in the winter months. You can use the Nano Mister in the beginning of the appointment to fully saturate the lashes after you've cleansed them with saline or whatever cleanser you're using. And then when you're doing your volume fans, you can use the Nano Mister in between. So let's say you've landed a fan, but you're working in a small area, you can use the Nano Mister like so, and make sure you set. You don't want to oversaturate your lashes and keep the Nano Mister longer like this, because what will happen is the adhesive will bloom and it will crystallize. So the other best friend and tool you need here is, let me show you this. What you need is a hygrometer like so. It gives you the temperature, and our current humidity is at 61%, so we're awesome. So let us know if you have any questions, and that's your little tutorial for today. Have a great one.